One of you is going to get hurt on this.
We're doing the Anvil challenge, Jack, so we're going to record us and see who can pick it up the best.
Come on, who can pick up the Anvil, which is substantially bigger than it really should be?
Exactly, Jack.
Size comparison. Cameron Hunter. Effortlessly. Majara Dogan.
The big kebab! He seems struggling, man. Let's go lift it up.
Reese Cummins.
Go on, Reese! Yeah, what? You get power from his back. Yes, Majora, what did you do?
Lift it with your belly, not your back.
Majora, what did you do? Reese just like that.
I don't want to strain your back, it's all on the legs.
You couldn't move it. Kai Gregory. Kai Gregory.
Lift it,
Didn't we one more time? Kai Gregory.
Go on, Kai!
Stepping up to the challenge. 3, 2.
Okay. Yeah, so what do you do with your
1. Oh, that's someone's going to lose a finger. Go on, Kai. On your own. Wait, Cameron, give us a pose while you're holding it.
I'll give him a pose for you, ready? Damn.
Oh, I'm hungry.
Jesus. What? I thought Cameron was actually in the...
What?
I thought he was locked in the boot of the car. I was intrigued.
I was happy. He went.
I was just amazed that we haven't heard his squeaky voice piercing our ears.
Same. And I've just lifted that fucking Anvil. Coming.
How many tons is an anvil?
Everybody that's not camera.